What's the upcoming plans po after nitong PEC? And nakita naman natin every time na bumibisita ako, isang beses pa lang, last year pa to, talaga naman, ito yung advocacy driven from you, passion from you, na makapag-produce tayo ng mga quality talents na pwedeng ipambato nga sa iba't ibang mga competitions, whether locally or internationally, sa MMA circuit. So, ano mga upcoming plans at tutuloy niyo ba yung inyong nasimulan ninyo para makapag-produce pa tayo na mas marami pa tayo mga fighters katulad nito ating mga nakikita lang?
Yes sir, bali tuloy-tuloy ito kahit wala tayong, even though we don't have sponsor, but still due to the passion, tinutuloy na rin ito para makapagbigay ng opportunity para sa ating mga youth, sa mga atletang Pinoy, marami na tayong inalakas at pinakompete international through this Philippine Judo Championship. Even though na medyo mabigat lang kasi walang sponsor, but hopefully makakuha tayo ng more sponsors sa mga companies dyan na pwedeng tumulong to support our passion, to search for more Filipino heroes. We're looking forward. I would like to invite you to sponsor, to support our ADIKM para masuportahan natin yung mga Filipino artists natin, even though yung mga youth natin na mga tambay na may encourage sila to join in the sports para magkaroon ng chance na ma-elevate yung buhay nila sa poverty and maging matinong Pilipino sa ating bayan. And would like to give thanks to our sponsor na nagbigay ng 21 account, elite account, account sa Gold Pro Venture Corporation. Thank you to the GBC for giving us a sponsor para sa this event and for the long-term partnership to our Gold Pro Venture Corporation. Thank you so much. Ito yung nakausap namin na they are willing to support partnership long-term sa ating mga upcoming event. And we have upcoming event March 28, but there's a URCC na move yung URCC from March 10 to March 28. Tuloy monthly yung event natin, Philippine Judo Championship, and then we have upcoming first Sudokan World Championship. I would like to invite you all guys to support and compete to our first ever Sudokan World Championship. In preparation para i-apply natin to sa Philippine Olympic Committee, and hopefully soon it will be a national sports at marami pa tayong masuportahan ng mga mahihirap na mga atleta at matulungan ng mga atleta na nangarap na hindi maka-afford sa training. Yan yung aming kapitan.
Kaya nananawagan po ako sa mga sponsors at kay Chairman Pato. Baka naman, of course, Philippine Sports Commission natin. Kaibigan natin din si Chairman Pato. Baka pwede natin i-hook din natin makapag-meeting kami with Chairman Pato. Alam natin matagal samahan namin ni Chairman at sayabi natin action man talaga. At baka pwedeng i-hook up niyo yung meeting niyo with us, the PSC. Anyway, by the way, we'll be covering also yung Sudokan World Championships, kaya saan na lang natin. So, fighting words, fighting shots, imbitahin niyo po sila sa ating upcoming event. And this is actually tickets, no? Mabibili na lamang doon inside the venue, no?
Yes.
So, please, ang ating imbitasyon sa ating mga viewers natin, Facebook viewers.
Sa mga supporters natin, sa mga Filipino martial artists natin, sa mga supporters, sa mga gustong mag-support, limitan ko kayo to support our event bukas 2 p.m. Onward, 2 sets ko o fight card, 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. And our batch 2 main card will be 6:30 until 10 p.m. Masportahan natin yung ating event, Philippine Judo Championship, search for Filipino heroes bukas. And I would like to give thanks also to Sir Simon, Sir Gab, to supporting our ADIKM, and to all the foreigners, fighters natin. Thank you so much to our local Filipino athletes, to the coaches, Thank you so much sa pag-support nyo. Kung wala kayo, kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi po matutuloy yung ating adikayan to search for more Filipino heroes. By the way,
Can we have a
Okay.
face-off?
yeah, face off, and can you do guys stand up and then can you say shout encuentro na?
Okay, I'd like to parting shots lang muna. Okay, thank you Sir Rene for, of course, inspiring and of course, inyong driven at buo kasi passion nga para dito sa Philippine sports. Good luck to all fighters. May you have a best race and of course, best fights, best performance for this competition. Sa ngalan ni Daddy Simon, ako po si Gab Peras. Maraming salamat po. Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. And please follow Sports Corner page on FB. Salamat po.
Thank you so much, Sir Gab. Can we take a picture first before the face off? And you can